CatWifHat coin is absolutely pumping. Should you load up a bag? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at a meme coin that is taking the internet by storm, and that is CatWifHat token. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your crypto goals. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with CatWifHat token. It is pumping nearly 40% on the day. When we take a look at the week, we're up a whopping 300%, which is absolutely insane. What the heck is going on with this project? This is absolutely insane. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. But first of all, what even is CatWifHat token? Looks like these meme coins are going absolutely ballistic right now. They have over 1.2 million holders. They have $18 million verified market cap, and we can see that on CoinMarketCap as well. It's actually at $25 million, so not even necessarily updated. Verified supply remaining 36.5 trillion. 18% has been burned from the past 100 days, and on CoinMarketCap currently ranking at 908, and currently it's actually at 814. So website is a little bit outdated. This is absolutely insane for a small meme coin to kind of pop off, jump over 35% on the day. What the heck is going on with this token? Not just that, guys, we're seeing a whole rush with these Solana based meme tokens going on an absolute frenzy. So if you don't want to miss out on these coins early, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. If you missed CatWifHat, don't worry, there's a pre-sale gem that you could still load up on that's going absolutely ballistic. They raised over $13 million. This is Dogeverse, the world's first chain traveling Doge. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following chains: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avax, Coinbase, and Solana. So it's a multi-chain Dogeverse token, which is really cool because now it's on 6 different chains. Also, especially on Solana and Coinbase, or 2 of the most popular chains this bull run. Feature on a ton of different places. With a multi-bridge utility, the Dogeverse token will be launched on Ethereum and the following chains. Utilizing superior bridge technology, Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain with just a few clicks. They have a solid roadmap in place and a solid tokenomics, which is just absolutely everything I'm looking for. Now, not only is it a solid project with a solid concept in terms of innovation, but they also have staking, currently making 72% APY, and it's been changing as it is dynamic range staking. Also, they've been growing very fast on social media with over 14,000 followers, very active as well. We see they're posting for May 6th, they're posting for May 5th. They're just constantly active, posting memes and updates about the project. So a great place to grab a bag and get into a project early is definitely Dogeverse. And if you, again, you don't want to miss out on these gems early, make sure you smash the subscribe button. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with CatWifHat token. Why is token popping off so much? And let's go ahead and get to the bottom of this. Okay, so CatWifHat on Solana, utilizing a burn fee with Solana tokens, extensive 4% of ticker symbol CWIF are automatically burned on every on-chain transaction. So looks like they have a tax, which is interesting because we are seeing this bull run that a lot of people don't want the fees and tax, but it looks like this token does have a tax in place. It posts a bunch of memes, and that's pretty much it. Looks like we click on each picture. What happens when you click on it? Oh, it just makes it bigger. That's pretty much it on the homepage. Does it give us any more information? Okay, the burn chart. We take a look and see it at the active burns, because they did say they burned 36, also almost 53% burned, which is pretty cool. We can see the burn chart is live. What else do they have on their website for in terms of information? No, unfortunately, they don't really have like a tokenomics breakdown. Utilizing a burn fee. So looks like that's pretty much all the update information they gave us on this. But in terms of Twitter as well, guys, over 100,000 followers. The hottest cat on Solana with a 4% auto burn per chain transaction fee. So I guess the burns are coming back. The battle of CatWifHat versus DogWifHat continues. After completing 1.3 million airdrop, CatWifHat is the most held meme coin on Solana. If that's true, that's absolutely insane. And this is interesting as well. So if CatWifHat reaches WIF's current market cap, its price would be at this. That make it 101x. You can now compare CatWifHat with 35 different tokens on this platform. That's absolutely insane. So if we get CatWifHat to the same market cap as WIF, that will be 100x, meaning we potentially are sitting on a 100x gem. We see CatWifHat taking over, and I remember, I believe this is a meme that Elon posted about Dogecoin just a while ago. So it's good to see they're active on Twitter as well, which is good. And I think this 4% burn back fee might be some innovation we need to see in a project. So again, it's trending. They're posting news, top ranking. It's good to see that they're constantly updating this project, just trying to build the community. But again, the main thing is the price, right? And that's what we're seeing. The 1.2 million holders, $25 million market cap, not too shabby. If we see this market cap get to the point of DogWifHat, this could be absolutely massive and easily 100x gem. Let me know what you guys think about CatWifHat in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you ready to load up a bag? I want to hear them all in the comment section. That pretty much wraps up the video. Like always, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.